For those of you that follow me, you'll know that I love two skincare products from the brand Medik8. These two products made a real difference to the quality and texture of my skin at a time when I most needed it, and in fact I think it's one of my most viewed films. Since then, Medik8 have got in contact and said, thank you so much for that film, Caroline. Can we please introduce you to two new products from our vitamin A range? And of course I said yes. So the first product is an eye system. Now this comes in a great box. It has 4 patches and an eye serum pen, and it's a program designed to use over 4 weeks. Don't worry, you actually only apply the products once a week over that duration of the time, but it really boosts the quality and texture of your skin and therefore diminishes fine lines. Now this is an extension range of the r-Retinoate, and one of the products I love is the Youth Serum. So I was really excited when I first tried this, and I have to say around week 3 what I found was, yes, that my eyes didn't seem so crinkled first thing in the morning, and around about lunchtime, rather than my makeup under my eyes looking a bit pinched and sort of dry, and I'd sort of not normally just sort of use some oil to rehydrate that area, it just seemed fresher, my makeup stayed put, and it didn't look sort of basically dry under my skin. So this is the serum pen, and it contains the Retinol Retinoate, which is the same ingredient in the Youth Activating Serum that I love. Now this ingredient, without kind of getting too scientific, is a hybrid molecule of vitamin A, and it's been designed to be 8 times faster than retinol, but it can be used on the most sensitive of skins. So the kit also comes with 2 sets of micro-channeling patches and 2 bicellulose patches. Now you need to assign yourself a day of when you're going to start. So is it going to be a Sunday night facial, your Friday night face, whatever you do, choose a day, always do it on that day, set an alarm on your phone or something like that. And I think it's really good because I get really excited about products that I need to apply every night, and then it sort of dwindles. So I think it's quite good to have structure, go right every day, once a week, then I do my eye treatment. Now you're going to start with the micro channeling patches. I'm going to open these first. Now before any patch goes on, you want to apply the serum first. So obviously just take it up like that and apply it to the area that you want. I think it's 11 turns you do. And there you are, just blend it in. So you just pat the serum gently just around the eye area, and then you take the patch, and you can see here that it contains lots of micro points, and these are full of hyaluronic. And when you wake up in the morning, be very careful when you place them on, just press, press, press. You don't want to disturb those little points, and they don't obviously hurt at all, but they are full of pure hyaluronic, and that gets totally absorbed into your skin. So when you take them off in the morning, there is nothing, there are no micro points left on the patch. Now these are really comfortable to sleep in. I mean, I did effortlessly, and I don't like things on my face or in my mouth if I'm sleeping particularly, because I'm not a very good sleeper, but this gave me no trouble whatsoever. In the morning, take off the patch and reapply the serum, and you're good to go for the whole week. So then you come to the following week, you apply the serum. I'll just count to 11 and just place that on there, just as much as you need. Don't need to go overboard. It's really smooth and hydrating, this serum. Now I actually like to keep my bicellulose masks in the fridge because it's really, really cooling. And you can leave them on for about 20 minutes, half an hour if you so wish. Just no less than 20 minutes, because then you just get the full benefits of these eye masks. So there we are. Just place those under the skin and just blend them into the contours of your face. And these feel, especially when cold, like really reviving. I've started using them actually at work, and they're really good for my clients as well. If you don't have a fridge handy, you can always put them in a tub of ice and before you open them. Great. So the following week you go back to the microneedling ones, and then you go back to the cellulose one, and that's your 4-week program. Now, as I said before, personally for me, the hydration levels around my eye were really boosted. My eyes felt fresher. They weren't so crinkly in the morning. You know, sometimes it takes your face, you know, at least an hour to kind of, you know, get back into action. But my skin felt around my eyes really glowy and fresh. So I'm really happy with, one, the simplicity of this program, two, how easy it was, and hope that you can see that I did get, you know, really great results from that around my eyes. The next new product is called Crystal Retinal, not retinol, Retinol. Now, vitamin A is an active that dermatologists and doctors use on the skin to sort out all types of skin conditions. But retinol is really, really well known for its anti-aging benefits. It really, really does make your complexion look better. It improves the quality and the texture. There is no doubt about that. It's been proven many, many times. But it's not without its problems. If used incorrectly, it can cause irritation and redness to the skin. Now, this is what I really like most about Medik8, is that they have given so much thought to the sensitivity of their clients' skins, because they really want to share their love of retinol because it really works in the right hands. And they've created sort of many tiers of retinol, many steps of retinol, allowing you to kind of be introduced to retinol at a very basic level. And then you can go right up to first class by using the r-Retinoate Youth Serum. But Crystal Retinal sits in between that. So Crystal Retinal is made up of an active called retinaldehyde. Now, this product, very simple layman's terms, only has to convert once on your skin, where a retinol, in order to benefit your skin, has to chemically convert twice. So this product is 11 times faster than any retinol, and it doesn't give you any sensitivity. So it's perfect for sensitive skins that want to look younger and fresher. Now, Crystal Retinal isn't photostable, so it's just applied at night times only. When you start, try twice a week, then maybe every other night, and then build up to applying it every evening. So Crystal Retinal comes in two strengths, 6 and 10. This contains 0.06% of the active ingredient, and this is 0.1%. So again, it's stronger. So you start at the 0.06, and then you go up. And I love the really soft, hydrating texture of this product. It's very, very soft. You won't need to apply a moisturiser afterwards, and it just feels just like cashmere, really, really soft and nurturing on your skin. So I love the texture. One thing that I did learn, which was a new thing for me, is that I've always thought retinol or retinal as an anti-aging product, but this retinal particularly is really good at helping with acne-prone skins. And I know that because I gave it to a girlfriend of mine, and she said, Caroline, yeah, my skin does look better and it feels brighter, but it's really, really helped my chin. I love this product. So if you are struggling to find a product that, one, boosts your skin and gives you kind of like a firmer, fresher complexion, but also targets those areas as well, then this is going to be a really good choice for you. So this product has made my skin normal, and we celebrate normal skin, or at least I do, because I've got a very needy complexion. Sometimes it's oily, sometimes it's blocked. I'm always having to sort of change products and shift things around to kind of get the right thing, and that's obviously seasonal, and depending what else is going on in your life, your skin is affected by that. But I was trying to think, what is it about this product that I love? And the fact was that I didn't really think about my skin. I put this product on, you know, quite mindlessly after a while, and I just thought, my skin just isn't playing up. It just feels really great. It feels balanced, hydrated. I've definitely seen an improvement in my fine lines, especially around the eyes. Just here, I get quite deep lines around there when I smile a lot, and they bounce back a lot quicker. But that's to do with the eye treatment as well. But I will never, ever not use a retinol now in my skincare. And I've been really inquisitive about them for the last 2 years. I haven't really understood it properly, but now I absolutely do. As you know, this is a sponsored post with Medik8. It's a very natural, organic sponsored post, which now, after doing this with Medik8, I will only ever do, because what I'm telling you is what I would tell my mum, my best friends. It's really important that I only tell you the products that I absolutely love, otherwise I lose my integrity, and there's no point me sitting here wasting my time talking to you if I'm just fibbing, right? So thank you very much for listening. I hope you've learnt lots. I certainly have, and if you use the products, or even if you use products in the range that I haven't talked about, please let me know what you think of the range. It is a really, really scientific based skincare that works, and I'm really, really pleased that I bumped into Becky all those months ago, and I know a lot more about the brand now. Anyway, here's to great looking skin, and I look forward to speaking to you below. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Bye for now.